Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd Nest. This is Amsa. Today I am going to explain about how to make customized railing in Revit software. So for that I am going to open Revit architecture. Go to New, Families under New. Here go to select Metric Blaster. Then open. And then here we need to change the units. UN. Shortcuts for units. Here I am going to change feet and fractional. Then OK. See, just blaster height is 2 feet. So that's what I am going to change that. That is 2 feet. Then create extrusion name, that is reference plane left right, because see here is the left plane, that's what. Specify a network reference plane center left. Okay, then OK. Select rectangle. I'll make one rectangle over here. Select this. The dimension is 2 inches. So totally we have 4 inches. 4 inches. Then the thickness is 2 inches. Then make one line at the middle point from here to here. Then select this rectangle, mirror, draw axis, draw the axis and mirror it. Press escape, select this and delete. Then go to give finish and then go to front view. See, it is not appear here, for that you just Z enter. See, it will be appear over here. Zoom in. Then the extrusion end will be my total thickness 2 inches here minus 2 inches. Apply. Then again go to left view, make the interior design, it means blaster design. For that go to create, select the revolve option, same thing, name, in that reference plane, then OK. From here to here, then from here to go to select the arc, from here to here, then from here to here. So this is my arc blaster style. Close this, make this line to connect this, and then go to axis. In that I am going to select pick axis. See, pick this axis, then finish. See, blaster will be ready. Then go to 3D view. This is our model. Then go to it's joined. Then go to material, select this everything, go to material, apply varnish. Go to apply this color, material is selected, then apply. OK. See, then go here, realistic. See, This is our blaster. Then file, save as, family, my document, that is one blaster. Then save. Then again go to file, open new, family, and then go here, scroll down. Here we have a metric profile rail option. Select that, then open. See, here we need to design the top portion. For that I am going to select line and rectangle, and I'll make it over here. Our unit is feet and fractional, so that's what I'm going to change the unit. Okay, okay, and then select this line. So drag this side, that is 3 inches. Then select this side, total is 6 inches. And then thickness is like 1 inches. And then as usual save as, family, that is one top. Then save, and then select here, go to new option, family, select same as metric profile rail, then open, select the line under the rectangular shape, make it to the bottom portion. So here also we need to change the units, that is feet and fractional. Then okay, okay, then select this, reduce the size, that is 3 inches, sorry, it is over to 3 feet. Select 3 inches, then this side entire will be 6 inches, and then select this one, that is 1 inches. So then this is also go to file, save as, family, 3 bottom, then save, and then you just click here to hide hiders, then go here, new, you just open the architectural template. Okay, also unit, that is feet and fractional. Okay, okay, then see, I just left over to one blaster, load it to project, that is project 1, then okay. Then again go to here, select the top, then load into project and close. Then again go here, select the 3D, again load into project and close. See, then here we have a railing option. In that I am going to select the sketch path. Select the path and then go to edit. Here exactly you need to give the duplicate option, that is I'll give you rail. Okay, and then select here rail structure, that is go to edit, select all, give the delete, then insert, that is first one is top and second one is bottom. Our top height is 2 feet and bottom will be 0. The profile, top and bottom, and the material is I'm going to select like copper. Here also I'm going to select like copper. Whatever you can select. Then apply. Then OK. Then again go to blaster placement. Go to edit. Just blaster family. Click this arrow mark. Here we have 1B. We need to place at the bottom, and the top reinforcement is top. The distance from previous, that is 1 feet. Here break pattern end and the justify as spread pattern to fit. Or else if you need dimensions you can give, that is no issue. Then here also we need to change blaster and blaster and blaster. Then base is bottom, here also bottom, and here also bottom. And then top is top, top, top. So no need to change anything. Then OK. Then here see circular 400 mm is there, no? That is we need to activate none. Then OK. Then just I'll make one simple railings over here. Finish. Just go to 3D. See, this is our railing in realistic. So that's it. This is the procedure for make the customized railings. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.